In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Constant Contact. Hyperlinking is an essential skill for anyone looking to make their emails more interactive and engaging. So let's get started on how you can do this effectively in Constant Contact. First, the key to hyperlinking is starting in the right place. You'll need to have your email template ready. Whether you're working on a new template or editing an existing one, make sure you're in the email editor. This is where the magic happens. Now, find the text or image where you want to insert a hyperlink. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's say you want to hyperlink a piece of text within a paragraph. Go ahead and select this text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. You should see that the text is highlighted, indicating it's ready for the next step. Next, with your text selected, direct your attention to the toolbar above the editor. Look for the link icon, which commonly resembles a small chain or an interlocking link symbol. Clicking this will open up the hyperlink options for you. This allows you to customize where the link will take your readers when they click it in their email. Upon clicking the link icon, a dialog box titled Insert Link will appear. This is your tool for turning plain text into a clickable link. Here, you'll need to type in or paste the URL of the web page you want your subscribers to visit. It's important to double-check this URL before you proceed. A tiny error in the link can direct your audience to the wrong page or lead to a broken link, so accuracy is key. Once you're satisfied with the link, simply click the Insert button. This action solidifies your hyperlink. It transforms the selected text in your email into an active hyperlink, guiding your readers directly to your chosen page with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a hyperlink into your email using Constant Contact. Remember, hyperlinks are a powerful tool for driving traffic and engaging your audience, so use them wisely and make sure each link is relevant to your content. If you find yourself adding links regularly, consider keeping a list of frequently used URLs. This can save you time and ensure consistency across your communications. Additionally, always preview your email and test the links before sending them out to your contact list. This guarantees that everything looks and works as expected, providing the best experience for your readers. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in using hyperlinks in your emails. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing how you make your emails more dynamic and engaging with links.